Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, we have Heaven Panty for, I'm guessing this is the May. Just arrived at my P.O. box today, so was happy to see some of the things I have been waiting for are arriving. This is how it comes. You get just a nice recyclable package. Let's see what I got. I will put all the information down below in the description about Heaven Panty. This is a monthly ladies panty subscription. I'm being very loud. So this is just the outer packaging, and this is how it comes. Very cute. Says Heaven Panty, and it is a resealable envelope. In case you have an issue, you can reseal it back in there. All right, here we go. Ooh, I like these already. Okay, this is how they come. They're on a card, and you get a single pair with the subscription that I have. I pop off the item. This is the card. Just says Heaven Panty. Now on the back, it gives you more information. So basically explains to you how to do your sizing, which you find that out on their website. Talks about returns. If you're not happy, that's why you get a resealable envelope. Preferences, it tells you how you go in. You can update your preferences. Of course, when you first subscribe, you choose your preferences. And then it does tell you how to care for your panties. And actually, they just send you to their website, which is for care, it's care.heavenpanty.com. And then there is, of course, a referral. So if you want to subscribe to Heaven Panty, I have a referral code down below. So they're on Instagram and Facebook. Basically, it's just Heaven Panty. All right, so these are the ones I got. I like them. You guys know how much I like black. So really cute. I like the fact that although they have some lace on them, they are not see-through all the way. So the front panel is really nice. The lace does continue onto that front panel that is solid. There is a little bow at the top. These are the sides, little lace, little flower. Then I really do like the fact that the back is got some coverage. Of course, it always does with the cotton panel on the crotch area. So yeah, this is my single panty from Heaven Panty that I get each month. These are really pretty. I like these. They look like they're decent size. I did bump my size up, so I was concerned that the sizing was a little off. I don't know, these might be a little huge, but yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I also do get Splendies, and I recently got my Splendies. So I will link that video up here in the cards. You can check that one out as well. Now with Splendies, the subscription I get is 3 panties a month. With Heaven Panty, the subscription that I get is 1 panty per month. So those are the two that I do get, and let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you've watched both and, formed opinion about each company or each subscription service. Let me know what you think down below, you guys. I hope you are having a great weekend. Like I said, I did go to the P.O. box. I did pick up a number of items. So like I said, I'd been waiting all week. Things were delayed and now they're all arriving. So that is a good thing. So, all right. Have a great time, you guys. Hope your day or evening is going well. And I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.